Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to start a t-shirt print-on-demand business with your phone. All you'll need to do is open up your device browser. Then from there, you're going to go onto printify.com. Printify.com is one of the best print-on-demand platforms around. And with it, you'll be able to create a print-on-demand business for completely free. So you're going to go onto printify.com and you're going to tap on Start for Free. From here, you'll be prompted to sign up with your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. After tapping on the three dashes, I want you to tap on Store Settings. After selecting Store Settings, as you can see right here, at the moment I have a store. So you're going to scroll down and you would tap on Cancel. After tapping on Cancel, I want you to tap on Add New Store. Once you have tapped on Add New Store, you can see the different platforms that you could integrate Printify on. But since we are creating a completely free print-on-demand business, we're going to be using the Printify platform. So we're going to select Printify Pop-Up. Then from here, you can add in your store name. So for example, I'm going to be naming my store. So let me do that real quick. After you have added in your store name, you can scroll down and you can select your country. So let me do that. Then you'll tap on Next. After you have tapped on Next, once your store name is available, you will be redirected to the themes page. From here, you can select the theme that you would like to use. So I'm going to be using this theme. Then you're going to tap on Launch Pop-Up Store. After you have tapped on Launch Pop-Up Store, you can tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then what I want you to do next is tap on the three dashes once more in the top right hand corner. Then you can select Catalog and you can choose from the category what you would like to start designing. So would it be men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, or so on. I'm going to be selecting men's t-shirt. So I'll select t-shirt. Then we'll scroll down. And from here, you have different categories. For example, you have express delivery. And you can see the base price varies depending on the option that you choose. So you have express delivery right there. You have the best seller. You can also see the different best sellers and so on. So let's say, for example, I were to select this option. All you'll need to do is tap on the one that you would like to add your design to. After you have done that, you're going to simply scroll down and you're going to tap on Start Designing. Once you have tapped on Start Designing, you will be able to add your design right here. And you may be wondering where you're going to get your design on since you're using your mobile device. What I would recommend you do is open a new tab and you're going to go onto canva.com. Canva.com is another platform that you can use for completely free. So you're going to go onto Canva and from there you can sign in or you can sign up using your Google account. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this, or you can choose to use the Canva app. I would recommend that you use the Canva app. But for this example, I'll just be using the browser. You will tap on the search bar. Then from here, you can type in, for example, t-shirt. After you have typed in t-shirt, you'll be provided with numerous templates that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. All you'll need to do is select it. After you have selected it, from there, you can customize it to your liking. You can tap on the text and you could edit the text. You can edit the font style and so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on the share icon in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download and you'll tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, all I want you to do now, as you can see right there, your design is almost ready. So you can see right there to download and we'll tap on download. So you can see it has been downloaded right here. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go back into the other platform. So let me do that real quick. Once it has been downloaded, you'll go back into the other page. So we'll minimize this and we're going to go back into Printify. On this page, we're going to tap on the two A's in the bottom left hand corner. then select downloads, and you can see the design right there. So I'm just going to tap on it. Then I'll tap on the share icon in the bottom left hand corner, and I'm going to tap on save image. Now that the image has been saved to my device, I'll tap on done. Now if we were to tap on my device right here, then tap on photo library, you can see the design. Then we'll tap on done, and now you can see it is being added. Once it has been added, you can extend it by simply pulling on the end. After you have done that, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will be able to select your mock-ups. So you can see how the mock-up look at the moment, and you can select the title, image color, and so on. Once everything is to your liking, you'll scroll down. Then from here, you can add in your t-shirt name. You can also edit the description, and you can also choose whether you would like to add a size table to the description. And you can also scroll down and you'll be able to set the pricing. So from here, you can edit the pricing. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, it will be pushed to your store, as you can see right here. So we'll tap on the X, and now you have a Printify store or a print on demand store that you can start selling and making money. So for example, we can tap on the 3 dashes once more in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can tap on store settings, and you can tap on visit store in the top right hand corner, and you can see our store right here. So all persons will need to do now is you can copy your URL right here and share your URL. Once persons come onto your store and they see the product and they like it, they can simply select the product. Then from there, they can select the color that they want. After they have done that, they'll tap on add to cart, and you can see the price. Then they can tap on go to checkout, and they'll be able to complete their payment. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.